Plotting inequalities. In order to plot an inequality, we must first understand what each symbol means. A less than symbol means the left side is smaller than the right side. A greater than means the left side is larger than the right side. Now, a less than or equal to means that the left side is smaller than, but can also equal the right side, whereas the greater than or equal to means the left side is larger than or equal to the right side. Not equal to is usually denoted as an equal sign with a line through it, meaning the two sides are not equal at all. In order to plot an inequality, we can use either an open circle or a closed circle. And really, it is just depending on the symbol. Open circle, we will use a less than or greater than symbol, and this means the number is not included. A closed circle means we are going to have a less than or equal to or a greater than or equal to, which means we are including the number. And we shade this line to show all possible solutions. So either we are shading to the left or to the right, depending on the problem. So here we have an example where 4 is greater than x. Please note that this is the same thing as saying x is less than 4 because in both instances our mouth, alligator mouth, is opening towards the 4. To make my number line, I am just going to pick a number and put numbers to the right of 4 and to the left of 4. Because it is a less than, I am going to do an open circle on the number 4. And because we are saying that 4 is bigger than anything that x can be, meaning that the x is going to be smaller, x could be any number to the left. You can test out if an answer is true by picking any number from the number line and plugging it in for x. So if I replace x with the number 0, for example, 0 is less than 4. This is true, so my shading is correct.